Okay, so now I'm gonna demonstrate why the speaker is not that good on the OnePlus 2. So, say, say I go to YouTube and find an MKBHD video. Let me try and see if I do this right. Okay, so I hope that it will record so you can actually hear what it does. Okay, okay. So at low volumes, it's absolutely okay. Still, there's like when you get on Messenger, it just glitches. Like, okay, I can try and demonstrate that later. So listen to how his voice sounds when I turn up, and notice that when I go from here, to here, there's no volume difference. It just removes the bass. At 100%, it's only treble. So there's only a volume change from this bass. Okay, see.
OnePlus 2. Company name OnePlus 2. OnePlus 2.
Okay, so listen to his voice.
It's a little on the bigger side of the scale as far as smartphones go, but it's nothing too extreme since it's definitely not the biggest smartphone with a 5.5-inch display. The metal band around the phone is really premium. It's a huge improvement over the OnePlus One, and it's this metal band alone that makes the phone feel like it's more expensive. And I like that they didn't try to go super thin like some manufacturers trying to one-up themselves, I guess, but nothing wrong with being a little thick. Dear every smartphone manufacturer ever, if you're using a large camera module, which you probably are, feel free to fill out the rest of the phone's body with battery, like this. It will not make the phone too heavy or too thick, and everyone will appreciate the extra battery. Thank you. Anyway, the shape of the OnePlus 2 is just fine. It's rectangular and sort of boxy in a way, but it fits in the hand nicely, and this phone is really easy to hold. The sandstone black back helps that too. Now, every OnePlus 2 comes by default.
Okay, so I hope you get the idea. So now I'm gonna show you the hissing sound. And this is one of the really annoying things. Like, it just annoys you when you get a notification and it just sounds like that. It's like terrible. Sorry, OnePlus, but it really is. Okay, I'm gonna write on Facebook to my friend and hope that he will. Oh wait, no, I've actually. 2 seconds. I hope that this doesn't seem too unprofessional, but it's like really just a quick video just for this thread, so I don't want to spend like a whole bunch of time on making a video. Okay, here we go. So listen now how it sounds. What the heck? Okay, 2 seconds. Why don't I get a notification? Technical difficulties. That's weird. I did get the message though, but no notification. Okay, let me try now. Were you able to hear that? Right there. Not good. Trying one more time. I'm trying to really get to this. Okay. So there's a hissing sound, and it's like the messenger just sound actually turns off the speaker at the end and then turns it back on for like half a second with the hissing sound. Like, why can't they just fix that? Okay, so that is a speaker which I think is the biggest issue right now. And I imagine that a software update could fix it because it's like what I like from my experience, the speaker is either like amped up really high but at low volume, so that's why it makes a hissing sound, or they just hopefully they didn't choose a speaker that's just a bad quality and makes a hissing sound no matter what. Thank you for your time.